Hello, everyone. It's your boy, Dasunnex. Welcome you to my art and tutorial. Here, I teach and do commission works as well. So, let's take a look at this beautiful portrait. Yes, while working on this was really amazing. This is your first time of coming across this page or channel. You can do what to subscribe or follow for more so that you don't miss anything out. I urge you to continue to watch till the end so you don't miss anything. If you have any brother that is interested in drawing or painting or any types of work, you can share my links to them so that they can follow up for more. Alright, let's go into working. Yes, as I always start with my work after finishing the face down to the detailing. As you can see, this lady is a very fair woman. Yes, so when I was done with the sketch, I start applying the colors just like you're seeing it here. Yes. Um, it took me like 60 to 70 hours for this job to be completed. While working, I enjoy every bit of the work. The pencil stroke, the pastel, color movement, and you know, one thing about this work that really enjoy was the smile. I got a lot of expression like beauty, so her smiles and you know the spraying hair really got my attention. So taking time to create it was really amazing. Yes, you know. Let's go. So it was really nice. Down to the clothes, trying to bring out the detailing of the clothes. Yes, here I use charcoal stick, the black one. First of all, I shade, just like you're seeing it. I shade it, trying to create the dark effects. Yeah, so after creating the dark effect, I now move on to blend it so that get the round neck. So it's more black. Um, so don't forget to like, share, comment what you think of it, and here this is what I do. I'm open for commission. Any types of work I'm available. You can drop a comment. Any type of work, something like this. Yes. So still blending on the neck. Get it blending. Yeah. So I hope she will like it. She will like the work. Oh, this is it's nice. Stay on the neck. Well, basically, this is what I do here all day. It's part of me. It's part of my life. I love doing it. I do it all day, every day. Yeah, this is this is awesome. I'm using the charcoal white to get the white effects. And the designing of the the t-shirt. As you can see, I'm done with the neck, the collar neck. I'm done with it. Getting down, trying to put on the white. Yeah, this is this is this is great. Yeah, don't forget to follow or subscribe for more. Yes, as you can see, I create the effect of the white, trying to separate the whites from the other white design. Yeah, this is Dasunnex art, your humble artist. Chris, amazing work. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your time. I really appreciate your time and everything. Um, we're getting it closer. Yeah, no, and this is wonderful. Yeah, trying to create some other effect. It's close. Almost there. Oh, you comment, tell us where you're watching from. Thank you for your support. See, I use red, black, charcoal. I really enjoy working with it. It's give me a lot of time. So I'm finally just trying to create some highlights. As you can see. Well, we have come to our end. Thank you. Hope you enjoy it. Drop a comment. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for your time.